Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to increasing incoming calls ringtone in Android. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone diaper. So I'm going to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on sounds and vibration. Then you have to simply scroll down and make sure you turn on this particular button, increasing incoming ringtone. So click on that and it's as simple as that. So each time you are having an incoming call, the ringtone is going to be very much loud. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.